Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by verifying your device version and freeing a home page so the app library can act as your primary hub. Open Settings, tap Display or Home Screen, and enable App Library or similar feature. This makes grouping automatic. Once done, swipe to create an empty page and long press icons to move them. You're prioritizing essentials now so organization becomes simple. This reduces clutter and speeds app access as you proceed to detailed grouping. You'll drag apps into meaningful folders and accept suggested groupings so the library learns your patterns. Tap and hold an icon to move it. Drop it onto another to create a folder, then rename with a concise label. Make sure to keep 6 to 9 apps per folder for easy scanning, and pin favorites or mark them as priority if your OS supports it. Once grouped, the app library's search and categories will surface the right app faster, saving time daily. You'll finish by pruning duplicates and testing navigation to confirm the library replaces your old home flow. Remove any remaining icons from visible pages so the app library is your main launcher. Practice the gestures and search to make sure you can reach apps in 2 taps or less. If an app doesn't appear, toggle the app library setting off and on or restart the device. This refreshes indexing. If problems persist, check for pending updates and reapply your folder names.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.